Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's COVID-19 caseload raced past 62 lakh on Wednesday with 80,472 infections being reported in a day, while the number of recoveries surged to 51 lakh 87,825, pushing the recovery rate to 83.33% according to the Union Health Ministry data. The total number of coronavirus cases mounted to 62,25,763, while the death toll climbed to 97,497 with 1,179 people succumbing to the disease in a day, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. There are 9,40,441 active cases of coronavirus infection in the country, which comprises 15.11% of the total caseload. The COVID-19 case fatality rate due to the coronavirus infection stands at 1.57%. India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the 20 lakh mark on August 7. On August 23, it crossed 30 lakh and 40 lakh on September 5. The tally went past 50 lakh on September 16 and crossed 60 lakh on September 28. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, cumulatively 7,41,96,729 samples have been tested for detection of coronavirus infection up to September 29, with 10,86,688 samples being tested on Tuesday. 28 years after the Babri Masjid was razed, a court had acquitted all 32 people, including BJP veterans LK Advani, Joshi, and Uma Bharti, accused of being involved in the demolition of the mosque they believed occupied the spot where Lord Ram was born. In a judgment that ran 2,300 pages with enclosure, the special CBI court on Wednesday said there was no conclusive evidence against the 32 accused of being involved in any conspiracy to bring down the disputed structure in Ayodhya. Delivering the verdict on the day of his retirement, Special Judge S.K. Yadav did not accept newspaper reports and video cassettes as evidence. The court also observed that the late Vishwa Hindu Parishad leader Ashok Singhal wanted to save the structure because Ram idols were inside. The 16th century mosque was demolished on December 6, 1992, triggering riots that left 100 dead in the country and widening rift between the communities. 26 of the accused were present in the Lucknow court when the judge read out the operative portion of the verdict. The NHRC has issued notice to the Uttar Pradesh government and the state police chief in connection with the gang rape of a 19-year-old Dalit woman in Hathras district, officials said on Wednesday. The woman, who was battling for her life after the assault, died at Safdarjung Hospital on Tuesday. The National Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance in connection with the gang rape and brutality of a 19-year-old woman belonging to the scheduled caste in Hathras district, the right panel said in a statement. According to reports, she had gone missing on September 14 and was found in a badly injured condition on September 22 and was subjected to gang rape and brutality in Hathras over 2 weeks ago, it said. The Commission has sent notices to the Chief Secretary of State Government and the Director General of Police of Uttar Pradesh, the official said. On September 14, the young woman had gone to the fields with her mother and went missing soon after. She was found later beaten and tortured, her tongue cut as she bit it when the accused attempted to strangle her. She was first admitted to Aligarh Muslim University, Jawaharlal Nehru College and Hospital and then shifted to Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi on Monday. The Income Tax Department on Wednesday extended the deadline for filing income tax return for 2018-19 by 2 months till November 30. The Central Board of Direct Taxes in an order said, in a view of genuine difficulties being faced by the taxpayer due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, the date for furnishing the belated and revised return for assessment year 2019-20 is being further extended to November 30, 2020 from September 30, 2020. This is the fourth extension given by the government for taxpayer to file both original and revised ITRS for 2018-19 fiscal. In March, the due dates was extended from March 31 to June 30. Later in June, it was again extended by a month till July 31. In July, it was extended till September 30. On further consideration of a genuine difficulties being faced by the taxpayer due to the COVID-19 situation, CBDT further extends the due date for furnishing of belated and revised RTRS for assessment year 2019-20 from 30 September 2020 to 30 November 2020, the CBDT tweeted. Najia and co-LLP partner Sailesh Kumar said the extension has also granted additional time to the Income Tax Department to more aggressively pursue its campaign to make taxpayer file their ITR, in whose case some specific financial transactions have been identified and reported. Recently, the Income Tax Department has been sending SMS and emails to such taxpayers with a request to file ITR. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.